Hey everyone, in today's video I'll going to show you how you can fix LG washing machine error code U5. So for that we can see here the legitimate way to fix the problem. So leveling the machine and adjusting the legs, ensuring the floor is level and balancing the load by evenly distributing clothes. It can help, and if we say it in detailed form, then the steps would be: level the machine, ensure the washing machine is stable and level by adjusting the legs. If the floor is uneven, consider using leveling pads or contacting a professional to level the floor. And then properly load clothes, avoid overloading. So then check and remove shipping bolts, if any. Remove the shipping bolts that may be left inside the machine, as they can cause vibrations. And after that, inspect the vibration sensor. If the issue persists, the vibration sensor itself might be faulty, in which case contact an LG service center for professional repair. And last but not the least, power cycle the machine. As a troubleshooting step, you can try turning off the machine, unplugging it, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in before restarting the cycle. So let's hope it helped you. So make sure to like, subscribe and comment below. Till the next video.